What is happening, everybody around the world? Merry Christmas! Hope everybody's with their families, celebrating Christmas, and we are here at the parking lot trying to get. We got a new bus that we're making a kettle corn popcorn business, and we're working on it. So I'm gonna show you the bus that I've been talking about earlier from the videos that I was making. So that's the back bus right here that we got. It needs some work, but basically it's a nice bus. We've been working on it, and hopefully we get it going little by little. This is gonna be our kettle popcorn business. We have mostly all the machinery for it. We just gotta keep working on the bus. So this is the bus that we got. See, that's what all the machinery is right now in the back. It's all covered up, but that's what we're doing right now. I know it's Christmas, but I'm kind of working. I know it's Christmas, and basically yesterday on the video, I was saying, let me get this better a little bit set up here. Yeah, yesterday I was saying that I was gonna work also on Christmas to help other people. Basically, that's what I'm doing right there. I don't know if you see it right there, but that's what I'm doing. Trying to clean that little piece right there. Trying to clean that little piece. And right here, it's that's where the seat used to go. I took all the seats out, taking all the carpet out. I'm probably gonna put everything basically new. But yeah, this is the kettle popcorn bus that I'm building little by little. So hopefully get that going soon. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm gonna show you I'm trying to take out there. So this is what I'm doing. This is what you're not gonna see me, but that's what I'm doing here. Trying to get this bolt out here. They're kind of rusted, so and it kind of rusted there. So I'm trying to see if I can get this old screws out. This one's coming out at least. And the other ones came out. I might have to do some cutting with the metal blade. Get them out a little bit. There you go. That's another one. Took off. That goes. This is the chair for the chair, but I think it might have some more there. Yeah, it has another 4 here. Yeah, so I might have to cut this here, so it still has dead here. So I have 2. So I got 4 more, but I probably have to shave it off because in order to take this out, I gotta go under. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's gotta be shaved. That's gotta be shaved. So that's what we're doing right now. So that's what we're doing right now, basically. And I kind of took care of the front already. And out of the bus, I kind of did the front already. So I've been cleaning it all this year. But basically, that's what we're doing. And right here, I already took care. I took all that apart. What you see there. I also put new carpet. So pretty good carpet. Put a new ignition, door lock with the key. So it was pretty good. It starts up. We got it running. It's all good. I just wanted to show you that. And yeah, but we're just waiting for some calls. Kind of slow, so I might just basically take it slow. But anyways, wanted to show you. Wanted to show you the bus. It was beauty. I didn't play the ball. So yeah, that's the other project we got going. Other side is nice and clean. But yeah, San Francisco, California, real life. And we talk to you guys later. Have a good Christmas. God bless. Be safe out there. And we talk to you guys later.